large estate owners, lawn care professionals, and people who are just passionate about their yard and the mowing equipment they use, there is now a better engine for their mowers. An engine built for extensive use and made to provide superior life in dirty, dusty environments, particularly on zero-turn mowers. An engine with a patent-pending integrated cyclonic air cleaner that provides a 5-step debris management system to keep grass and dust out of the engine and ensuring longer life. An engine that is made right here in the USA by the most trusted name in lawn care. Welcome to the Commercial Turf Series engine by Briggs Stratton. Anyone who spends a lot of time cutting grass knows that when it comes to saving mowing time, nothing is more efficient than a zero-turn mower. However, zero-turn mowers create unique challenges. A traditional lawn tractor has the engine mounted in the front of the tractor, protected under a hood. For a zero-turn mower, the engine is mounted at the rear and is much more exposed to the elements. When cutting, particularly in dry, dusty conditions, all mowers will leave a trail of dust and debris behind. In a traditional lawn tractor, the engine is in front of the dust plume that follows the cutting action. For zero-turn mowers, the engine's location forces it to go through the dust plume that follows the cutting action, exposing the engine to grass, dust, and debris. Without proper air cleaning, dirt ingestion and debris buildup will lead to higher operating temperatures, causing oil breakdown and excessive wear, shortening the usable life of the engine. To protect and extend the life of the engine for a zero-turn mower, you need to start with one simple rule. Keep the incoming air clean. The Briggs Stratton Commercial Turf Series engine features a patent-pending integrated cyclonic air management system with 5 steps of debris removal to ensure constant delivery of clean air to the engine. In the first stage, the rotating screen throws large pieces of debris by centrifugal force away from the engine. Large pieces of grass and debris that make it through the screen are chopped into smaller particles. Then, in stage 2, the fan forces many of the chopped particles into a deflector under the blower housing, ejecting many of them down and away from the engine. In the third stage, the air that will ultimately enter the engine must pass through a series of baffles and an ejector chute before reaching the air cleaner housing. Only Briggs & Stratton's integrated cyclonic system offers these initial 3 stages of debris separation. The 4th stage includes spinning the air around the filter. The debris particles, which are heavier than air, are forced to the outside of the housing. These particles are driven out of the air cleaner housing through a duckbill-shaped valve. The large cartridge-style air filter acts as the 5th stage to keep any minute particles from reaching the engine. The cyclonic action of the air within the air cleaner cover keeps large particles away from the air cleaner filter, greatly extending the interval between filter changes. Under normal use, this means the cyclonic air filter will withstand a maintenance interval of 250 hours, approximately 2 to 3 times longer than panel-style air cleaner systems. As an additional means of keeping dust out of the engine, commercial-grade rubber lip seals have been added to the double-barrel carburetor. The seals protect the throttle and choke shaft in extreme debris environments. Also, access panels are located above the cylinders. During annual maintenance, these access panels can be easily opened to remove any potential debris buildup on the cooling fins over extended periods of time. This helps keep the engine running cooler. With all of these features, only the Briggs & Stratton Commercial Turf Series engine provides this level of extreme debris protection. Due to their use of hydrostatic drives, zero-turn mowers require a high amount of torque from the starting system. For consistent starting, even under heavy loads, the Commercial Turf Series engine includes a high-output starter for maximum starting capability. In addition, the mechanical compression release dramatically increases cranking speeds for easier starting, particularly in colder temperatures. A commercial-grade steel ring gear, pinion, and drive clutch complete the starting system and provide extreme durability for dependable starting each and every time. Stressing a zero-turn mower to its maximum capability under heavy loads creates heat. Excessive heat causes wear on the engine. The Commercial Turf Series includes a number of components for added durability and heat management to help extend engine life under heavy loads. Durability starts with a newly designed, stronger cylinder block, Ribs have been added to the block to provide longer life under heavy loads. Next, engineers studied airflow and head sealing to design a new, innovative cylinder head. The new heads include cooling arches that help the heads and valve guides run cooler in extreme conditions. In addition, the commercial-grade sump gasket provides superior oil sealing characteristics under high heat conditions created by heavy loads typical of zero-turn mowers. The immense power of the engine is transferred directly to the crankshaft by the piston's connecting rods. Each bearing surface spins thousands of times per minute under incredible load. This pounding torque can generate enough friction and heat to melt metal. That's why our crankshaft journals and connecting rod bearings are super polished to a mirror-like round finish that dramatically reduces friction and heat. Exhaust valves really take a beating, opening and closing thousands of times per minute. The hard plating on the commercial Turf Series engine's exhaust valve stems creates an ultra-smooth bearing surface that minimizes friction. Combining a stronger cylinder block, cooler running heads, the commercial-grade sump gasket, super polished crankshaft, and hardened wear-resistant valves adds up to more reliability, more durability, and increased performance. Just what you can expect from the commercial Turf Series engine by Briggs Stratton. The commercial Turf Series engine, the only engine that features a patent-pending integrated cyclonic air cleaner with 5-step debris management system. Built with rugged components, this new engine delivers high performance, yet withstands the harsh environments experienced on zero-turn mowers. The commercial Turf Series engine is just another innovation in a long line of pioneering products from the most trusted engine name in outdoor power equipment, Briggs & Stratton.